Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where the world's most breathtaking homes come to life. Today, we invite you to explore a timeless masterpiece, the magnificent French Revival Chateau located at 75 Glen Alpine Road in Piedmont, California. Surrounded by 1.62 acres of lush landscape, glowing in golden daylight with soft nursery tones, this $12,100,000 estate is a living symphony of elegance, history, and modern perfection. As the drone glides gracefully over the property, the mansion reveals its grand stone facade, arched windows, and classic French rooflines designed by renowned architect Albert Farre in 1926. Restored and reimagined in 2021, it beautifully preserves its historic soul while embracing the sophistication of modern living. The sunlight dances across the gardens, terraces, and manicured lawns, capturing the heart of true California luxury. The journey begins at the grand entrance, where wrought iron gates open to an elegant pathway lined with floral gardens and tall trees. Double doors lead you into a majestic reception salon featuring original black and white marble floors and soaring ceilings, an atmosphere of timeless beauty that immediately captivates the senses. Every corner speaks of craftsmanship and heritage, yet the golden glow and nursery palette add a warm, contemporary charm. The living spaces are designed for both celebration and serenity. Large arched windows fill the rooms with golden light, while pastel tones reflect calm and grace. The main living room flows effortlessly into the library and formal lounge, offering spaces where family and friends can gather in comfort and style. Every detail, from the chandeliers to the marble fireplaces, feels curated to perfection, reflecting the mansion's distinct personality. The formal dining room stands as a statement of sophistication, an elegant table beneath a radiant chandelier, surrounded by windows that open toward blooming gardens. This is where golden evenings come to life, where fine dining meets intimate connection. The chef's kitchen is a culinary masterpiece of its own, with soaring ceilings, marble countertops, and professional-grade Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. The warm sunlight pouring through the tall windows blends perfectly with the golden and nursery color palette, creating a soft, welcoming atmosphere. From morning coffee to evening feasts, this kitchen is both inspiring and inviting, the heart of the home, designed for those who appreciate the art of living well. On the second floor, 4 beautifully appointed bedrooms await, each offering serenity, space, and breathtaking views of the gardens below. The primary suite is a sanctuary of peace, where elegance meets comfort. Golden daylight filters through large windows, revealing a luxurious sitting area, cozy fireplace, and a spa-like bathroom adorned with marble and brass. The deep soaking tub and glass shower are illuminated by soft, natural light, creating the ultimate retreat for rest and reflection. Every guest bedroom has its own en-suite bath, blending timeless materials with modern sophistication. From polished fixtures to warm lighting, every element feels intentional and exquisite. As you ascend to the top floor, the chateau's charm continues, a home theater for movie nights, a playroom or office space, and custom woodwork that radiates elegance. On the lower level, an updated ballroom invites you to celebrate life's finest moments. It's a versatile space designed for entertainment, surrounded by elegance and bathed in warm golden tones. A private guest suite completes the level, offering privacy and comfort for visitors. Step outside to a world of serenity. The backyard opens into a stunning pool area where sunlight shimmers on the water's surface. Surrounded by lush gardens, stone pathways, and seating terraces, it's the perfect setting for quiet mornings or lively sunset gatherings. Every view feels like a painting. Golden light, pastel skies, and nature's calm in every direction. The luxury garage houses elite automobiles in a space designed with the same attention to beauty as the rest of the estate. Polished floors, soft lighting, and refined detail that echo the home's grandeur. Every inch of this home honors its 20th century heritage while embracing modern living. It's a seamless blend of past and present, where tradition meets technology and artistry meets innovation. From its architectural proportions to the soft glow of evening light, this chateau is more than a residence, it's a legacy built to last for generations. As the camera lifts above the estate once more, we see it all. The gardens, the pool, the grand facade framed in golden sunlight. 75 Glen Alpine Road is not just a home, it's a story of vision, passion, and timeless beauty. Brought to you by American Dream Mansions, your destination for the most exclusive luxury home tours across the United States. Subscribe now to explore more iconic estates, where dreams become architecture and elegance has no limit. California. A masterpiece reborn, glowing in golden light, presented with pride by American Dream Mansions.